Man, oh man, this is one of them projects. 6.0 stage 2 cam, 4L80E. Put a little small stall converter in there, man. Trying to get this guy in and out. It actually went pretty quick. I did the swap, the guy. Anyway, needless to say, it's in there. Long tube headers. Put the harness in there. Wired them up for drop-out wire, even though people would have wanted to be able to play around with their cable. But not be that as it may. I still got some more stuff to do. About to put this power steering line in the back. Issue we're having is with these aftermarket brackets and motor mounts I use. I got to cut a piece of the bracket. I'm about to take the power steering pump off real quick. Check that out, man. But anyway, this is one of them swaps, man. It's funny, my buddy just said, man, you should have documented it. It's a pretty good car. I had a split bumper about 1.5 years ago that I swapped and did also 4L60. This one, I went a little bit in on it. Not that I spent a lot of money. You kept it all basic. We still got the same electric fans. We got the same power steering pump relocation bracket I used in the other one. I think the last one I used the LS1 intake. This time I did that sheet metal intake. But yes, sir. Looks pretty good. I don't know why I got that there. But anyway, it's one of the projects I was ready to get back. This guy, I talked to him a little bit. He bought this car in Texas for an undisclosed amount of money. It wasn't no 10 grand, let you know that. There's a lot more than that. But he bought it. He had his plans on what he wanted to do. Contacted me, and then I said, I'll do it. Anyway, a few little things I got to do left. I still need to mount this. I have his computer, got his harness already placed. It's going to lay down there. You know, anyway, just going over this project. I hate to tell people how I did it, but man, it was an easy swap, bro. I'll tell you that. It was easy. A lot of stuff you keep inside there, I could have kept the truck intake, and it still probably would have been okay. We had the hood scoop anyway. Bottom end, drive shaft, I have my guy that I paid to modify those too. So that's done. Let's see. Let's get a quick start up for you guys, man. I'm right here.